Meanwhile, in Pakistan, former Prime Minister Imran Khan's abandoned Freedom March is on the top court's radar. Pakistan's Supreme Court has sought a report on the violations by Imran Khan and his party members during last week's long march. Last week, Imran Khan had led a mega march from Peshawar to Islamabad. It was among the biggest rallies that Pakistan had seen in years. The march was marred by clashes as the police tried to deter the rally from entering Islamabad. The police had to fire tear gas at the protesters to disperse crowds. There were also reports of PTI supporters throwing stones at the police officials. The rally had gone ahead even as the authorities had invoked Section 144, which is a measure used to curb gatherings. And now, 1 week after the rally, members of the bench led by Chief Justice of Pakistan have issued a written order. The order took note of the alleged involvement of the PTI leaders in investigating party workers to reach Islamabad's D-Chowk. The order stated that bona fide efforts made by the court were disrespected and that the move was in violation of the Supreme Court's May 25th order. During this rally, hundreds and thousands of people had flooded the national capital's red zone. The court has raised security-related questions such as when, where and how did the crowd cross the barricade to enter a hitherto closed area? Was the crowd entering the red zone organized or was supervised, or did it move randomly? Were there any acts of provocation or breach of assurance by the government? The Supreme Court has sought reports from the Director Generals of Inter-Services Intelligence, Intelligence Bureau, the IG Islamabad, as well as the Interior Secretary. Meanwhile, Imran Khan and his team rejoiced at the court's order against the Interior Minister Sanaullah. A Sessions Court in Lahore has ordered the registration of a criminal case against Rana Sanaullah as well as top police officials. The case pertains to the alleged torture of lawyers by the authorities on the day of the PTI's march in the capital. The order was issued after a lawyer petitioned the court. Last week, Imran Khan had posted a video of the alleged police brutality. He termed it condemnable and unacceptable. Khan has warned about seeking a registration of cases against those responsible for using force against his party workers during this march. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.